Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. We're out here in Tassia, Africa. It's pretty awesome. I mean, just look at this view. It's crazy. We've been out wandering around in the bush. We're very much out in the bush right now. And I'm gonna hang out with the chef here and we're gonna learn some traditional stuff. And I'm with Chef Joffrey, right?
Yep.
Chef Joffrey. And we've got our warrior, Sakita. He's hanging out with us today. Gonna help us out, right?
Of course, yeah.
Of course. He built our fire for us earlier. But Joffrey, he's been the chef here at Tassia Lodge for how long have you been the chef?
10 years.
10 years at the lodge. And you have kids? 5 kids! He's busy! Boys, girls?
2 boys, 3 girls. 7 years old. The
7?
firstborn and the last one is 17 years old.
17 years old.
Yeah.
You are busy. So he's gonna show us a traditional kind of dish, lentils. Let's run through some of the ingredients. Coconut milk, black pepper, some mixed spices, chilies, okay, turmeric, salt,
sea salt,
cayenne pepper. Oh, we're gonna go spicy today, huh? And some sugar,
and some sugar,
and some cilantro,
lemons,
lemons, cilantro, green cherry.
green curry
Ooh,
paste.
yummy. Okay, okay. And then over here we've got a little flour and some of the lentils.
Lentils.
And that you already made, right? And over here we've got what you've already done and let it sit for a little bit. To make your dough, you made just water and flour and salt. And so then you make balls out of it. It's not as kitchen.
Yeah, it's kitchen.
I think the grate's not hot enough yet. Yeah, see, now it's working,
Yeah.
right?
Now it's working.
Yeah, see?
This is its original color
Yeah,
when it's ready.
perfect.
Yeah.
So we got one made over here. That one's working. We got our warrior making sure it doesn't burn,
Of course, yeah.
of course. And Chef Joffrey over here is whipping up another one. So he's making another chapati. Inside here, you've got your lentils, half a cup of coconut milk. 2. Oh, Mr. Leaf didn't want to go in there.
Lime juice.
Lime juice,
Yeah.
great. Half a lime, that's all you need probably. All right, so we got some cayenne, a 1/4 teaspoon. You don't want it too hot.
Black pepper.
Black pepper, here it comes. Half a teaspoon of some black pepper. You don't mind me mixing, do you, chef? It's okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
Half teaspoon.
Okay, mixed spice. We don't know what mixed spice is, but it's got something in there. It's just a
Quarter teaspoon.
1/4 teaspoon. Don't want too much of that either.
Turmeric, half teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon of some turmeric.
Yeah.
Give it some color. Half
Half
a teaspoon of salt. Some sea salt. Okay. And some sugar. Give it a little extra sweetness, huh?
Sure. Yeah.
Baby spoon, okay. And the coriander.
Coriander.
All right.
A half cup hops.
So he learned the cooking from his mom.
Yeah.
You learned how to make fire from your dad.
From my dad.
Everybody learns from each other.
So being a child, at least you are parent as a parent. You have to make sure that your kid is at least not just depending on education alone, just to know other ways of surviving. So this is one of them. We have our yellow lentils ready.
We just grab a piece
yeah.
and eat? Okay. All right.
No need of a
And
spoon.
just kind of scoop it up like that?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it out. That's nice.
Perfect.
Spicy.
Spicy.
It's got a spicy in there.
Yeah.
Are you gonna try?
I will try.
Okay, you try.
After all that process,
All that, yes, right?
then we are ready for our lunch.
Good, huh? Yeah. How about you? You gonna try? Yeah. Come on, chef. It's your food. Eat it. It's got a really good kick to that from the chili and the cayenne. Huh? What do you think? Did you do good?
Very
You
nice.
did. You did really good.
Yeah.
That's tasty. I really appreciate you guys spending some time with us and taking the time to make this great meal. So we'll see you next time
Goodbye.
on Dad's That Cook. Can you say Dad's That Cook? Dad's That
Good
Cook. Dad's That Cook. We'll go one more time.
That cook.
Right. Dad's That Cook. We'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on
You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe and we'll be in touch.